In this video, I'll show you how to fix in case you're having strikes on your Canon PIXMA MegaTank G3270 or other models. So if you got those lines on your paper and it's annoying you, I'll show you one way how to fix this issue without having to open the printer and clean the print heads. Simply by going into these menus, we're able to clean those print heads and hopefully you'll get rid of the issue. So let me show you how this is done. So on the display of your Canon printer, you're gonna go in maintenance. If you don't see this, simply press the home button, go down and select maintenance. Press OK. Then over here we have a few options. We have cleaning and we have deep cleaning. If you see some lines, I suggest you do a deep cleaning. It's the same thing as a cleaning, it's just better. One thing that you need to know is that once you do a cleaning like this, some ink will be wasted, but I think you don't have a choice at the end of the day if you have some lines. So once you click deep cleaning here, it will even tell you requires a lot of ink to continue. You just have to press OK and let the printer do its thing. It will take a few minutes to do this, and hopefully after this is finished, try printing again and the lines will disappear. If this didn't fix your issue, you'll have, unfortunately, to open up your printer and then clean those print heads. Unfortunately, I do not know how to do this. On YouTube, there's many different videos showing you how this can be done. You'll need to purchase some special solution on Amazon. I'll put links in the description if you want to get those small kits to clean your print heads, and hopefully you'll get rid of your problem this way. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.